Let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Wulandari, STD number 18010010071. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's open our class by reciting basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning everyone. How are you today? Okay, are you ready to study English? Selama beberapa bulan ini memang kita sedang dilanda COVID-19. Untuk itu saya berharap untuk anak-anak tetap menjaga kesehatan, pakai masker akan keluar rumah. Nah, kali ini dalam pembelajaran bahasa Inggris kita akan belajar membaca, reading comprehension. Saya berharap nanti anak-anak menyimak dengan baik-baik dan mendengarkan dengan seksama. Contoh teks akan saya bacakan dan saya tampilkan. Golden Snail. Long time ago, there lived a king of the kingdom named Kertamarta. He had two daughters named Dewi Galuh and Chandrakirana. Chandrakirana was a very beautiful and keen girl, but his sister was an evil. One day, Chandrakirana was engaged to a prince of Kahuripan kingdom named Raden Inu Kertapati, who was handsome and wise. This engagement made Dewi Galuh invite to his sister. Then she went to avoid to harm Chandrakirana. The witch agreed to do what Dewi Galuh asked. When Chandrakirana was walking around the palace garden, the witch came and cursed her. She transformed her into a golden snail. After that, Dewi Galuh drew her which has become a snail in the river. One day, an old woman was looking for fish in the river using net. When she was about to leave the net, she saw a golden snail transported. Then she brought the golden snail, went home, and put it in a jar. The next day, she returned to the river to look for fishes, but unfortunately, she did not get any fish. She was disappointed and returned to her house. However, when she arrived, she was very surprised to see a lot of delicious dishes had been presented at the top of the table. This incident occurred over and over in the next day. The old woman was serious. She finally decided to find out who did it here by pretending to go to the river. She hid behind her house and peeked at what's going on inside. Then she saw the snail turn into a beautiful woman and cooked meal for her. Soon, the old woman came into her house. "How are you?" asked the old woman. "I was a prince of Daha, were cursed by a witch into a golden snail," said her after telling what had happened to her. She was invited Chandrakirana to stay with her. The news of Chandrakirana lost made Prince Inu Kertapati confused and sad. He searched for her all over the kingdom by disguising as a villager. The witch knew what was done by him. She was disguised as a raven to describe the prince eager to meet Chandrakirana. On his own way, Prince Inu Kertapati was helped by an old man who was great. He hit the bread with his stick until it died. Prince Inu takes to him. He also told the intent and purpose of his journey. After knowing what had happened, the old man told Prince Inu to search the Dadapan village. Afterwards, the prince traveled to the Dadapan village right away. After walking for days, the prince arrived in the Dadapan village. He was very thirsty at the time. Then he saw a small hut and approached it. Suddenly, he was shocked because he saw his fiancée was cooking through the window. He immediately entered the hut to see her. Finally, they were but very happy because the meat and the magic was lost. Then the prince told what had happened to her, and she also introduced the old woman who had helped her to the prince. The prince was very grateful to the old woman. Then he brought Chandrakirana and the old woman to the place. After arriving at the place, the king was happy because her doctor had returned. He also knew what had happened to his doctor, knowing his sister had been found. Chandragalu ran away from the place because she was afraid of being punished by his father. Finally, Chandrakirana and Raden Inu Kertapati were married and they lived happy ever after.
Nah, sekarang giliran anak-anak, tugasnya membaca Golden Snail, lalu direkam dan dikirimkan kembali ke saya melalui WA Group. Semoga anak-anak dalam keadaan sehat dan bahagia. Sampai jumpa minggu depan anak-anak dalam pembelajaran bahasa Inggris.